I would use Facebook, but okay. I would use Facebook as my front end before I put money on the website. I wouldn't put money. It costs money. It costs. So before you do very well, just like you haven't bought your business license yet, right? Good, good, because that costs money. Do your business. Yeah, get your business off the ground with business cards. Now, I do suggest business card. Yes. I don't suggest paying anybody for a business card. I suggest a business card. But I do not suggest a website, but I do suggest, a presence, a social presence. And you can do that with a business web page with Facebook. Yeah. You can do that with a business web page with Facebook. No, no, they don't charge. Every person will be able to see everything. Facebook Marketplace will help you to understand how to put those things together. Have you heard of Facebook Marketplace? Yeah, you buy different things there. And in your case, you'll be buying your services. Yeah, take a look around to other people and see what they're doing, and then copy what they're doing. Don't recreate don't recreate the wheel. I wouldn't. That's my suggestion. But I know you're gonna do what you want to do. So, but yes, I will create a website for you if that's what you want. But it's going to cost. It depends on everything. Always depends on what you want. You know that, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I would do everything on Facebook first. I would experiment on Facebook, how you want to look. Then if it looks the way you want to look on Facebook and you get interaction, then I might consider a website. But Facebook is just good and Google is just as good too. Nowadays, the website thing, it's going away. And trust me, it's yes. Instead, I would say she has a Facebook page, and then hand her your card, and then it will send her to your Facebook page. You understand what I'm saying? Look into it first before you spend money on a website. I could charge you $200 to $500 for a website. That's going to include your domain name and your email address. It'll also include your Facebook page if that's what you want to. It'll be a whole social media thing. But I would look, or I would set it up so that it would flow better, right? So you don't have to worry about that part. I'll do all that part for you. But yeah, that's gonna be $500. Plus every year you have to pay for your. Plus every year you have to pay for your domain name. From 2 to 500. No, no, it's called web setups. That's what it's called. It's me. Yeah, domain name. Yeah, you get all that stuff through me. I sell domain names as well. Yes. Everything depends on what you want. Everything depends on what you want. You should do everything for you. Only time you should get a license, get the license thing out of your mind until you start making money. When you start making money, then you would consider licensing. Until you start making money, do not consider fooling around with the license. Especially if you got your situation, with the Social Security thing. Well, the main thing is to get the money coming in. That's the main thing. Get the money coming in. Get your ideas already done, doing really good. The next thing is to get the money coming in. Then once you get the money coming in, then you start advertising yourself beyond the business cards, because everything usually is by word of mouth. What better word of mouth than Facebook? Whatever you want. If that's what you want. Flyers is not a bad idea. It's not as expensive as a website. Yes, I do. Good idea. That is a good idea. Did you bring that up to the people in the meeting that you were doing that? That'd have been a good start for you. You know, that medium that you be having meetings and stuff, meetups. I'm talking about the people that you deal with. Yes. Mm-hmm. Well, I was going to ask. I got really excited about it. I got ready to ask you, and then I said, no, I'm not going to interrupt you. I'm going to let you finish about your business. Then I was going to ask you about that. Yeah, what was the name of the group again? They were part of you yesterday? Was that yesterday? Last week? Yeah, they were part of the group last week. That's good. How? Oh, okay, yeah, that's nice. Really nice. Oh, no. Wow. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's a mature crowd. I mean, that's what we are. We're a mature crowd. We're not a baby crowd. Yeah, they don't have them. Yeah, they don't have boom boxes. They don't have boom boxes. They had a little boxes that connect to to your phone. Oh man, dang. Yeah, June. Yeah, June is hot. That's why I want to get it in. Yeah, Juneteenth and reggae in the park. I would like to do reggae in the park, but it's so hot. You guys can have that. Reggae in the park. Yeah. Okay, so it's piece. Okay, that's cool. So you got them on two areas. Yeah, let's let the yeah, yeah. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. How much money? How much money did you? How much money did you spend on the pizza thing? Or somebody spent on the pizza? I mean, how much money was spent on the barbecue pizza thing? Okay, barbecue. How much money? Oh, okay. Yeah. Was it your money or somebody else's money? Oh, that's good. That's good. You said some woman. You said some woman put on there. It was just funny the way you said it. Some woman put on there. Nope. I haven't looked. I haven't looked. Oh, okay. Then. It's, yeah, 15. How many people came from Soul School group? Did they all show up? That's good. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Did Joe and Joe and his wife show up? Yeah, they so cool. They are so cool. They are some cool people. Oh yeah, they are faithfuls. They're faithfuls. They're faithfuls to the group. They always come to my events. Yeah, and he can sing. Ooh, that guy can sing. That guy can really sing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he can sing. He can sing really well. Yeah, he came to. Yeah. Yeah, he did. He can really sing. That guy can sing. Ooh, that guy can sing. He sings really well. I wouldn't compare him to anybody. I just know that he sings pretty good. So when you hear him sing, remember I told you that he can sing. Yeah. He can. A couple of days ago? No. Oh, you need a hobby. Yeah, go ahead and get started on your business. That's going to help out a lot. Yeah. Did you talk to your therapist about it? No. I mean, everybody got a therapist. You may have told me, but I don't know. I figured you got a past. No, I'm not. No, I ain't either. You told me that you had a therapist. You told me you had one. Yeah, you told me. You better not take no therapist advice from me. Oh. Yes, I do. I remember that. Yeah.